Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Prescription Nurse, your daily dose to living well. I'm Shandra Eldridge, your nurse consultant, back with another beauty video. And in today's video, I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm just going to be doing my makeup, showing you how to use some different products that I like to use. And yeah, that's it. It's just going to be pretty simple makeup, semi-tutorial. So if you are interested in what kind of look I come up with, just stay tuned. Go ahead and grab a snack, get a drink of water, and enjoy yourself. Let's watch this video. Let's get right into it. So yeah, in today's video, I'm just going to be using a few products that I like to use, and one of my favorite products is this Morphe 3503 palette. So we're going to be doing the eyeshadow look from this palette, and then I have some other favorites I like to use, like my Fenty bronzer, COCO MAMI, and then some other products. The first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure your face is clean and moisturized, and I've already cleaned my face and it is moisturized, but I'm going to add a little bit of more moisture by using this Tatcha Luminous Dewy Mist. So I'm going to put this on my face and then kind of let that soak in. And then, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to do my eyebrows. So what I like to do is I like to use this pencil from Almay, and this is Gel Smooth Liner Eyeliner Crayon, and it's in the color 034 Espresso. And hopefully you can see it here. This is it. You can get this from Walmart, CVS, or Walgreens. So I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes right now. And this is kind of how I start off my makeup routine when I'm really like doing my makeup. But if I'm going to work, I have a different routine. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I'm doing my makeup for work, I'm a registered nurse, so I'm much on the go, need to just do something quick. So if you guys want to see that, drop me a comment below and let me know. But I'm going to go ahead and get started on these brows. Now that I have the eyebrows done and I got my eyelids prepped for the shadow, I'm going to go ahead and get into this 3503 Fierce by Nature palette by Morphe. This is a very affordable palette. You get a lot of nice colors in here. If I can get it open. Look at this. I think there's 27, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 35 colors in here. So that's a really good bargain for $25. So this is the palette I'm going to be using. Okay, so now that the eyes are done as far as eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and do my liner and then pop on some falsies. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to be using just some eyeliner from Loreal, and it's called Flash Cat Eye by Infallible Loreal. This is in the color black, and it looks like this. See if we can see it. So I'm going to use that to do my wing liner just on the top. So you want to start here in the inner corner and just kind of draw up above just a little bit, not real close because you're going to go back and fill it in. And then you're just going to follow your eye. Because I had the hardest time trying to do this wing, and I still do. And you're just going to go back, and then you're just going to swing it forward towards the corner of this eye to your bottom lash line. And then you're just going to fill it in. So it is kind of a thick line. And just fill it in. And then I'll go ahead and line the bottom later, but I like to use a pencil. That's just my preference. And this is not perfect, as you can see, but it just takes practice, guys. Just a lot of practice. It's a little thick, but we're gonna work with it today. we gonna work with it. Okay guys, so now that I have the lashes on, I'm going to go ahead and start with the face and the foundation. And like I said before, to prime I'm going to use some setting powder. So I'm going to use this Dermablend setting powder first. This is a loose setting powder in the color Warm Saffron. Very, very good. It really does keep your face nice and matte, but it doesn't dry it out. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm just going to take a little bit on my damp beauty blender and just put a little bit on my cheeks and on my nose. And it's going to look a little strange in the beginning because you're putting powder on your face, on your bare face. So just bear with it. It really does make a difference. right, guys, this is the finished look. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Just kind of fixed my hair a little bit, and yeah, I'm really liking the strawberry kind of raspberry tone with a hint of orange in it, little orange juice color. So I think it came out pretty good, and I like it. So don't forget, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, show me some love, drop me some comments, let me know what you like, what you didn't like. I would love to hear from you. And what else do you want to see on this channel? So anyway, thank you for joining me. Thank you for your time. And again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, show me some love. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.